me again, Laureen. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing a Korean-inspired makeup tutorial for Morenas or tan people like me. Logistics, the way you do your makeup is quite different because Koreans naturally have whiter skin and fairer skin, but that doesn't mean we can't achieve it. A lot of you guys know this about me. I don't put a lot of makeup on, so I try as much as I can to gather all the nice products, played around with it, and I'll be sharing it with you guys today. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe first. Just there. I know a lot of Filipinos love K-pop and Korean novelas, and I used to watch one before also. If you do know any Korean novelas na tingin nyo magugustuhan ko, comment that below and I'll try to watch it. My yaya talks to me in Korean, so every time I tell her something and I say thank you, she always answers with chammaneyo. Chammaneyo. Guys, I'm gonna learn how to speak in Korean next time. But anyway, going back to the makeup tutorial, let's go! Let's do this! I'll just clip my hair. Honestly, you can achieve any look without putting too much makeup on. It's just really a matter of knowing your skin and knowing the right products. I know a lot of people use primer before putting on foundation and all that, but I found this really nice product called Luxe DD Stick. What's nice about this product is it already acts as a primer and people can use it for concealing or even as a foundation. So at least for people who are always on the go, you don't really need to put 3 products because it's already all here. It's small, it's tiny, and it's compact. That's why I like bringing it everywhere. I actually have 2 of these. For Morenas, I think bagay sa inyo yung shade 2. This is my shade, but I do have a darker one. It's shade number 3, just in case I go to the beach and I get darker. Diba? But for my everyday use, if I haven't gone to the beach for the longest time, I just use this. Bawal masayang, girl. I think what's nice about this product also is it doesn't make your skin like chalky white. So if you put it on your face and then blend it, you're already good. And it also has a white spot in the middle, so may essence siya sa loob. So basically, it moisturizes and smoothens out your skin. I think this is the best part so far. This acts as a brush already. Okay guys, masyadong matipid. I need more. If I don't have makeup on, like you really see some red spots on my face. But if I blend it, it disappears. Ganda siya talaga for concealing. It also has SPF 50, so it also protects your skin during the day. Nice, right? Honestly, this saves me so much time in the morning every day. It's made in Korea, guys. Next step is contouring. I like using the darker one for my face as well. It's detachable. Since I haven't gone to the beach for months now, I can use shade number 3 as my contour. And then I'm attaching it again. You don't want to overdo it. Alam niyo yung itsura usually ng contour, like it's pak, pak. Koreans don't really do that, so this is really just to enhance the shape of your face. Just a little bit. Since it's detachable, it's really easy to just clean this. Moving on, I'm just gonna use this Becca powder really lightly and do like a number 3 here. So guys, I like putting moisturizer on my lips between doing my makeup just so at least it's moisturized when I'm about to apply my lipstick. Now it's time for some highlights. You want to create that dewy effect and parang highlights here and there. I'm going to use Maybelline's strobing stick. So it's really small and compact as well, and you can just bring it everywhere. You just have to blend it. So I'm gonna use my hands first. Now, about contour, it really depends on you kung gusto nyo maglagay ng contour dito para mukhang mas matangos yung ilong nyo. I am just going to do that for a tiny bit. Just using this one again. Konti lang dapat. Blush time! When it comes to choosing blush for the Korean-inspired look, I would probably go for something a bit peachy or a bit pink. Kasi you don't want to just put a lot. You kind of want that fresh, pinkish look. So I'm just gonna combine these 2 from NARS Orgasm, and this is a Max X Chris Chang collab. This is actually an eyeshadow, but I want to use it as a blush. Remember to not overdo it. Next up, eyes. So I do have a lot of palettes going on, but I will be using Half-Baked. It's not my usual palette. I usually just use matte palettes like this or this one and my Tartlet, which are these like play with shimmer. I'll be using a darker shade as well and sort of just mixing it here and here. Now I'm going to mix this and a little bit of this. It's thin and half baked together. I'm only using one palette, guys. It's the Naked #1. So I'm mixing it together to put underneath my eyes, aka eye bags, because it stands out when you smile. A little bit inside. Now we're off to doing the eyeliner. I use Maybelline Hyperline. Concentration needed here, guys, kasi you want to put the eyeliner from the start to the very end, and it's not like wingtip, it's a bit going down. Using the Dreamer and just darkening this a little bit more and underneath the eyes. Now, eyelash time. Before and after. And we're going to use the Hyper Curl Volume Express. Now, you can opt to choose white eyeliner, but since I don't have that, I'm just going to use this one and put some under my eye, just a little bit. You can wet it pa, para it stays talaga. And since I got permanent eyebrows already, I don't need to put much on it, so I'll just be putting brow mascara. Last step, lipstick. Koreans like to create gradient lips, so it means like it's a bit more pink in between rather than the outer area. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on my lips, going back to the DD stick since it serves as a primer and a concealer as well. So there are a lot of lipsticks you can actually use when you're going for that pink Korean lippy. I'm going to use Happy Skin X Stylized. Stylized collab siya. So my sister created this one together with red and nude shades. So I got all three. Oh my gosh! What happened? Okay, nasira ko siya. See, this is what happens if you don't take care of your makeup. Nasasayang siya. Maglagay ka lang ng pink sa loob. Ang nipis ng lips ko, guys. Just blend the outward more than the ones you actually put inside. So key is just blend. And go here. A bit peachy. Whereas pink. Basically, it's just a light tint on your lips. Last again. Now, I'm using Max Mineralized Charged Water. Since gumamit ka na madaming makeup, gagawin lang niya, papamoisturize lang niya lalo yung mukha mo. 6 inches away. That's it. If you wanna do a Korean-inspired makeup look for Morenas, just do the steps I did. And I hope you guys love this video. If you have any questions, just put it on my comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys!